Have you ever looked at your living room and realized something is just missing? We have smart lights that change color on command. We have smart locks that open with a tap. We have incredibly powerful phones in our pockets right now. But the biggest and most expensive screen in our house is usually painfully dumb. Most built-in smart TVs are incredibly slow. Their menus are completely cluttered with annoying ads. They lag every single time you try to switch between your favorite apps. It is a really frustrating experience for anyone who just wants to relax. Apple knows this. They have been quietly working on a massive project to fix it once and for all. Forget everything you know about the current Apple TV. The upcoming Apple TV 4K is not just another minor update, so you can stream Netflix. It is a complete Trojan horse for your entire living room. Leaks are pouring in from all over the tech industry. They paint a picture of a device so wildly powerful that it will make every other streaming stick look like an absolute toy. This device will change your home forever. If you care about your entertainment setup, you need to hear this right now. The biggest secret behind this new device is what is hiding inside. The current Apple TV uses an older chip. It works fine for basic menus and simple tasks. But Apple is about to take a massive leap forward. The new Apple TV 4K is heavily rumored to feature the A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same powerhouse processor found in Apple's premium iPhones. Putting a flagship phone chip inside a little box that plugs into your wall sounds crazy. It sounds like massive overkill for watching movies. But there's a very specific reason for it. That reason is Apple Intelligence. The A17 Pro is the absolute baseline required to run Apple's new artificial intelligence system. Right now, your phone and your laptop are getting all the cool AI features. Your TV is completely left out in the cold. Apple is about to bridge that gap in a big way. This chip will allow the Apple TV to process complex AI tasks locally. It will happen right there in your living room. It will not rely on the cloud. This means zero lag. It means instant loading. It means your television is finally going to actually think for itself. This massive boost in brain power directly translates to a completely new version of Siri. We all know the old Siri. It struggles with simple commands. It often misunderstands what you say. It is clunky and annoying to use. But the new LLM-powered Siri is a totally different beast. This new Siri will feature something called on-screen awareness. This is the feature that will change everything. On-screen awareness means Siri actually sees and understands what is happening on your television in real time. Imagine you're watching a really complex documentary. They mention a historical figure. You could just ask your remote, why is that person important? Siri will read the screen. It will understand the exact context of the documentary. Then, it will give you a perfect, customized answer. Or imagine you're watching a chaotic football game. A flag is thrown on the play. You can ask, what was that penalty for? Siri will instantly analyze the live broadcast and explain it to you clearly. You do not have to touch your phone. You do not have to pause your game. Your TV just knows what is going on. This AI awareness stretches right into your smart home as well. The Apple TV is already a hub for your connected devices. But Apple Intelligence takes it so much further. Say you're deep into playing a video game. A notification pops up on your screen that a package was delivered. With personal context awareness, you could just speak to your room. You can say, turn on the porch light and lock the front door. Siri understands the context of that specific notification. It executes multiple commands flawlessly without missing a beat. It turns your TV into the ultimate command center for your entire house. But a TV box is not just about brains and AI. It is also about beautiful visuals. Apple is reportedly bringing Dolby Vision 2.0 to this new hardware. If you're a movie lover, this is huge news. Modern movies are often incredibly dark. Sometimes you can barely see what is actually happening on the screen. Dolby Vision 2.0 introduces precision black technology. This intelligently lifts the shadows without washing out the colors. It means you will actually see the hidden details in dark scenes exact. LY as the director intended you to see them. It also brings an amazing feature called Light Sense. This uses built-in sensors to read the ambient light in your actual living room. If the afternoon sun is glaring through your window, The TV adjusts to cut right through the glare. If you turn all the lights off for a dark movie night, it dims perfectly. This protects your eyes and deepens the contrast of the picture. It does all of this automatically in the background. It ensures you always have the absolute perfect picture quality, no matter what time of day it is. To make all of this work seamlessly, the new Apple TV needs an unbreakable connection. That is exactly why Apple is allegedly putting the new N1 networking chip inside. This is the same advanced chip expected in the upcoming iPhone 17. The N1 chip expertly manages Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Thread networking all at once. Why does this matter to you? Because lag ruins movie night. The N1 chip ensures your streaming is totally flawless. It means your smart home accessories will react the very millisecond you push a button. It means features like AirPlay will finally connect instantly every single time. If you have ever tried to share a funny video from your phone to your TV and it failed or stuttered, you know the pain. The N1 chip is designed to make that frustration a thing of the past. It provides a rock-solid, ultra-fast connection that ties your entire Apple ecosystem together perfectly. Now, let us talk about a rumor that has the internet completely divided right now. The built-in camera. For years, people have wanted to do video calls on their big screen. Apple currently lets you use your iPhone as a webcam for the TV. It is a neat trick, but it is super annoying to set up every single time you want to chat. Rumors strongly suggest Apple is finally integrating a high-quality camera directly into the front of a new Apple TV. This camera will feature center stage. This means you can pace around your living room while talking to your family. The camera will physically track you and keep you right in the center of the frame. The recent software updates to tvOS have added extensive new FaceTime features. Apple never adds heavy software features unless new hardware is coming to support them. There is even talk of a two-tier release strategy. We might see a standard Apple TV 4K and a more expensive Apple TV 4K Pro that includes this built-in camera. For the hardcore home theater fans out there, there is one final feature that makes this an instant buy. Audio pass-through. This might sound a little technical, but it is a massive deal for sound quality. Currently, the Apple TV processes all audio internally before sending it out to your speakers. For standard soundbars and basic setups, this is fine. But if you have an expensive surround sound receiver, the Apple TV is actually bottlenecking your system. It prevents your high-end gear from doing its actual job. By finally allowing true audio pass-through, the new Apple TV will send the raw, uncompressed audio signal directly to your receiver. This guarantees you get the absolute highest quality, cinema-grade sound possible in your home. It is a feature people have begged Apple for over many years, and it is finally happening. So, when is this monster of a device actually coming out to the public? Initially, everyone expected it to drop in late 2025, but that timeline shifted. The new target is spring 2026. This delay is actually a brilliant move by Apple. They are gearing up for a massive smart home takeover in 2026. They are rumored to be launching totally new smart displays and connected cameras at the same time. Releasing this incredibly powerful new Apple TV alongside those new smart home products creates a perfect, unified ecosystem. As for the price, Apple knows they have to stay competitive in a crowded market. The standard model is highly likely to stay right at the $129 mark. At that price, getting an A17 Pro chip and full Apple Intelligence is almost an unbelievable value. If they do release a Pro model with a built-in camera, expect that price to jump up to around $199. In my opinion, this device will absolutely crush the competition. It is going to become the ultimate gold standard for home entertainment. There is simply nothing else on the market that will even come close to this level of deep integration and raw computing power. It fixes the long-standing audio issues. It massively upgrades the 6. Sewell processing for movie fans. Most importantly, it brings real, highly usable AI to the absolute biggest screen in your house. It completely redefines what a streaming box should actually do for you. It stops being a dumb menu and starts being the brain of your living room. Are you going to upgrade to this absolute beast of a streaming box when it launches? Or are you holding onto your old gear for now? I really want to hear your thoughts on this. So, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with anyone who loves tech, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.